Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on this putting a honeycomb looking effect into a letter. I made one yesterday with power clipping, but you could not change this afterwards, or you could change it with your power clipping because you just drew it before, but then using the interactive fill tool you could not color them in. But one of my viewers, and I kind of had the idea, I was kind of playing around with it last night, and then he emailed me and or sent me a message and kind of guided me through it, and I was going to do a little bit different, but here's what he did. So you've got your letter, and you select it, go to get your interactive fill, go right down here to postscript fills. That's the default. Go to hexagon. And what's nice, if this is about the size of your letter, then you can go to edit fill and change the frequency to 2, which is basically how many times it's going to do it. And let's zoom in here a little bit. Now you've got your item selected. Now we need to convert it to a bitmap because Smart Fill won't work because it's all one fill. But go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap, black and white. 300 points is fine. Whoop. Go back to my pick tool and trace bitmap, and you can either use outline. Got something going on. Bitmap. Convert it to a bitmap just to make sure. Trace bitmap. Outline trace. You could either use clip art or line art. I'm going to use clip art. And here's the key right here. Specify color. Grab your eyedropper and just put it in the middle where there's something white. And then hit OK. Now you can take your Smart Fill tool and fill in. And it's even kind of neater than using the power clip tool because you can actually just place them around and do some various odd shape, and you kind of get to see what it looks like as you're doing it. So you can make any of them. And you can make all 3 different colors or gray, different colors of gray. Give it a kind of a neat effect. This is where you'll find out if you have any artistic ability, which I have none. Anyway, I truly hope that helped, and thank you for watching.